Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to change language in Moviebox. So let's start. Following this tip, surely you will do it. So first, launch Moviebox on your device and ensure you are using the latest version for the best features. Then you have to get in the icon menu tab in the corner of the screen, and this is where you will find the customization options on settings. Number 3, locate language options. So scroll down to listen the language or subtitle audio settings. Then exact wording may be varied depending on your version. So here are language, you have to click there. Then select your preferred language. As you can see, there are many languages there. So from the downtown list, pick your preferred language for either app, interface, audio remaining, or subtitles. Number 5, save changes and restart. After selecting, hit save or apply changes, restart the app to make sure the settings take effect. With these steps, you will be able to enjoy your favorite content in your language that you love most. As you can see, are 5 easy steps that you can do it without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.